Oh. Pew, pew, pew. Hey, God. Ready? 1, 2, aim, say aim, aim, I don't say. What are you doing? Red butt chicken? Alexa, what's a parrot? Hey, parrots. Happy? Uh-oh. Hey. Uh-oh. Poop. Uh-oh. Poop.
Uh-oh. Poop.
Come on. Come on. Ready? 1, 1, 2, 8, say pay. Stand up. There you go. Ready? 1, 1, 2, 8, say pay. What's that? Baby. Hello. Can we come? Ready? 1, 8, pay. See you. Yabba dabba doo. Yabba dabba dabba doo. Yabba dabba doo. Give me a kiss. Give me a cuddle. Alexa, what's a parrot?
The current weather is 70 degrees Fahrenheit with cloudy skies. Today, you can expect clouds with a chance of showers, with a high of 71 degrees and a low of 37 degrees.
Grey parrot. I'll be right back. You can have a good break shower. You could talk in lunch. Ooh. Ooh. Hi, baby girl. Hello. Hey, William. William. Hurry. Come here. Meow. Nay. I'm a happy up. Hi, baby. Hello.
Hello.
You got some food? Shower?
Hi, girlfriend. Hello, sweetheart. Can I have a big kiss? Give me a big kiss. Mwah! Thank you. You're welcome.
You want a banana? You want some banana? You got carrots, pumpkin, grapefruit, hot credit. Hey, good girl. Hi, baby. What are you doing? Red butt chicken. Red butt chicken. Red butt chicken. Okay, ready? 1, 8, 8. Happy birthday. Birdosaur. Big kiss. That farts. Yummy. Look up God's second breath. Okay, go. Ready? 1, God. A paper, say pow. Alright, I'll be back, okay, baby? We got back to breath shower. Let's go. Yabba dabba doo. Give me a big kiss. Alexa, are you going? Uh-oh.
There are many different dog breeds, each with its own unique characteristics and traits. The number of dog breeds is estimated to be around 1,700. However, not all of them are considered purebred dogs. Some examples of popular dog breeds include the German Shepherd, Golden Retriever, Labrador Retriever, Dachshund, and Dingo.
Let's go away. Let's go away.
Simon? Did you just belch? That's rude, wasn't it?
Oh, it's not